Welcome to Sarsa's with Ed John Briscoe. Teacher Rose, Teacher Esgreen, Teacher Joanne, and Teacher Joyce welcomes you to your online lessons.
Hello kids! Welcome back to our online class. Our topic for today is the sound of letter Y. Y, 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 yogurt, yogurt, yo-yo, yo-yo, yak, yak, yarn, yarn. Okay kids, let's sing this song.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
Now, it's time for us to do our activity. So the first thing we have here is read the words below. The first one is yarn, yarn, yo-yo, yo-yo, yogurt, yogurt. Great job! And after this, we're going to proceed to our next page. Color the pictures that begin with the y sound, like yogurt. You're going to color the yogurt any color that you want. Great job! So we have a toppings here, the pink for strawberry. Yeah, the flavor is strawberry. You can use the color that you want. I just mix it here with purple. And then I just put the color red for the strawberry. And after that, just look for another one. It's not for water, it's not for box, but it's for yo-yo. Yo-yo. Again, you can use the color that you want. Great job. And after this one, you are going to trace the letter Y. See that? Great. Okay, so we're done here. We'll see you in our next topic, the sound of letter Z. Zebra.